Ah, yes. Should be A plus 4C. Very good, thank you. Hey, no lah, you misunderstood the thing lah. Leila, I factorize out the negative from A minus 4C minus A. I take out the minus to cancel with this minus. That's why this one is A minus 4C. I am not expanding the bracket. Okay? Okay, did you all try the questions? Yes. Homework? Yes. Very good. Okay, so let us go through your homework. Page 23. Page 23. Jody, page 23. Okay. Gerald, you told me you have problem. Okay, pay attention. Okay. I want to make X the subject. But X. So do I know my endpoint? My answer must be X equals to the rest of all the rest of the thing put here. Okay? So X, when I put on the left, it is a numerator. But now my X is a denominator. So I don't want X to be in the denominator. I want it to disappear from the denominator. So what do I need to do? I need to multiply. And multiply at the same time. And notice that numerator more than one term, I put my bracket already. Then I will have L times X equals to 4m plus 8. Okay? If this is 3x, I will divide by 3. If this is 2x, I will divide by 2. So when this is Lx, I divide by L. Yeah. So my X is just 4m plus 8 over L. Can? This one shouldn't be too difficult. Okay, next one. I want X to be the subject. Means my endpoint is X here. But now my X is trapped inside the bracket. Okay, so there are a few ways. But I also know now my X is in the bracket and is one of the numerator. So there are two ways. I go by the what I will do lah. I don't like fraction in equations. And then my numerator, my X is trapped inside the numerator. So if I can get rid of the denominator, then it will be easier to get to my X later. So I will make it not a fraction by multiplying B. Okay? Then I will have AB on the left equals to C 3x minus 3. From here, there are two ways to continue. I can do my expansion, then I will have free my X already. But there is another way. If I divide C on both sides, because right now, the big picture is on the right, C multiplying this whole bracket. So if I remove C from the right hand side, I'll be left with this bracket itself. So I want to get rid of C. I divide by C, divide by C. Then I will have AB over C equals to 3x minus 3. Got bracket and no bracket is the same already because it is not multiplied by anything. So I can also remove the bracket. Then I get closer and closer to having 3x by itself. Okay? Then I want to get rid of the negative 3 from the right. Minus 3 on both sides. And then finally, I want 1x, I don't want 3x. Then if left is the same as right, right is the same as left. Okay? The answer may not look nice, but it will be accepted. But if you want it to look nicer, numerator, denominator, we can split them up into two fractions. AB over C divided by 3 plus 3 over 3. Then AB over C divided by 3 is actually AB 3C. Then like that. It can look nicer. Okay? But not necessary. Leave this like that should also get your full marks. Oh no. That's why Apple no good, huh? Wow. Luis, are you okay? Why today so many sound? Tired. Okay, Ken. Cyrus, why are you sleeping again? Praying, Praying to who? Cupid. Okay. H. My X is trapped inside the bracket. So I don't want it to be inside the bracket. One way is I multiply, expand everything, then it will be no longer in a bracket. Another way is 4 multiply bracket, multiply Y and Z. I divide by 4Y and Z. I divide by 4Y and Z. Then left hand side I will have K over 4YZ. Right hand side I'll be left with 3 minus X. Because I can cancel away the 4, I can cancel away the Y, I can cancel away the Z. So without anything else, don't need to put the bracket already. Okay, my endpoint is a positive X. My endpoint is a positive X. But right now my X is negative. So what is one way that I can make it positive faster? Sender. Or Jasmine, how can I make my negative X become positive X? Good. Leila say already. Minus X, I bring it to the left. So I plus X on both sides. Okay? Then I will have then I want only X. I minus this whole thing on the left. Answer. The other way is I move my 3 first. I move my 3 here, become minus. Then I will have negative X. Then I divide both sides by negative to change the sign. Cyrus! Still praying. Alternative, this one I show you the alternative. If I bring my 3 across, my x is still negative. The negative belongs to my x. Then I will need to divide both sides by negative. When I divide both sides by negative, negative become positive, positive become negative. This one is the alternative. If I never bring my x across to make it positive, I bring the 3 across first. Then 3 go across become negative 3. But finally I want positive x. So I need to divide a negative sign. I need to divide by negative 1. I need to divide left hand side by negative 1 also. So dividing by negative 1 is going to change the sign. Positive will become negative, negative will become positive. Then it's actually the same answer. Okay? It's the same answer. Cyrus! 8:22 already. 23 already. You have prayed for 23 minutes. What have you become better at after the praying? Okay, Ken. Gerald, you say you cannot do. Now understand? Huh? You know how to do now, huh? Okay, let's go. Okay? Y equals to mx plus c. Something that is, something that is quite familiar for you, all right? Straight line equation always can be written as y equals to mx plus c. Make x the subject. By now, this should be easy for you, all right? Bring my c across. Then I want only one x. Then write my x on the left. Answer. Got it. Very good. Okay. Then here we will learn a bit on substitution. By right, you also learned before. So at first, my equation got how many unknown? 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know what are these numbers. But after that, they tell me y is 4, m is 3, c is negative 2. So I will need to do substitution. Substitute these values back into my equation or formula. So how do we do substitution? I copy whatever that I'm not substituting. Okay? X, I'm not substituting, so I still put X. Equal sign, I still put equal sign. Bracket, I'm not substituting, so I also put my bracket. I am substituting Y. Y is 4. So when I substituting, make this a habit. Whenever I substitute, I put a bracket first. Then whatever I want to substitute, I put there. This is Y. Y become a bracket. Then what is Y? Y is 4, then I put the 4 inside. Any other things, I don't change. Minus, I'm not substituting. So I will write my minus also. C, I am substituting. So I put a bracket. Then I put what is C? C is negative 2. Okay? Then I close bracket. So here is an important point already. This minus belongs to the original equation. Okay? But a lot of students, if they don't put bracket, when they substitute C is equals to negative 2, they think that negative already, then I don't need to write the negative. Okay, then they just write a 2 because here got a negative. That means, hello, then they will get it wrong already. Because you minus 2 and you minus negative 2, they will give you different thing. 1 is minus 2. 1 is minus become plus. So the minus 1 is the correct one. Okay? So that is why the bracket is important. I want to substitute M, I put a bracket and put 3 inside. And with all these correct bracket, you can key this whole thing inside the calculator for your answer also. Okay? But the numbers are easy enough. 4 minus negative 2 become 4 plus 2. 6. 6 divided by 3, 2. Okay, Ken? So substitution, make it a habit. Always substitute with a bracket. And all the other things don't change. Okay, try question 3. Come, practice with your new knowledge. With your new skills. Question 3, question 4, try. Oh, you all done already? Done already. This one Still praying. Living on a prayer. Hey Cyrus, time to do work. Do work will keep you awake. You are reading the question. The angle that you read question also different from people. Trying to do all these stunts to match up with Lexus, right? No, you don't need to do anything. You naturally like that. He where got sleeping? He's reasoning, right? Is that the word? He naturally he. Yesterday you not here. 3-1 here. Wow. All the girls also crowd around Lexus. So happy. Okay.
Good boy. Because I pray, Oh yes, yeah.
Hey, sit down. I'm going to show. Gerald. Okay, but you see Cyrus one no use. He never show the steps. See the board. Okay. The thing that I teach you, all is apply across one. Meaning, here, k minus g, x minus 4, numerator, denominator, more than one thing. Go and bracket them first. Because they belong together, you cannot put them separately. Okay? So now you see your x. You must see that x is inside the bracket. Anything that you want to do to x, you must do to the entire bracket. Okay? Then what is my endpoint? My endpoint x is a numerator on the left by itself. Right now my x is inside this bracket and the bracket is the denominator. Meaning, I don't want it. I don't want this bracket to be denominator. I don't want it to be denominator. On the right, I need to multiply, ma. So I need to multiply both sides, ma. So it will appear like it cross the equal sign, then from denominator become numerator already. From here, there are two ways to free your x from the bracket. The easier way is straight away I divide both sides by h. Because once I divide by h, I will have, now this bracket is totally alone by itself. Then don't need the bracket anymore. So it is free already. My x is free from the bracket. Then finally, easy, right? Plus 4 on both sides. So this one is Cyrus' answer. Can? Okay. Again, it is not the copying that is important. It is the listening why I do each step. The reason. Because you, with the same reason, you will also come to this same conclusion. Yes, Lexus. You understand? I told you so many times, understand no use one. You must be able to work the question and be able to do it. Yes. Yeah. So at first is bracket times h ma, but I don't want the h ma. So I divide by h. Once I divide by h, it cancel. H, not 4. Then that side also divide by h. Yeah. No, here you must write already on the same line. Yeah. Because you divide by h on both sides. That's why the h disappear. Then it come here become a denominator. Yes, but move must become minus 4. Plus 4. Oh, minus 4, so become plus 4. Yes, correct. Very good. Hey, puppy! Go! Substitute! Substitute yourself. This one you should be able to do. Replace h with a bracket, put the 2 inside. Replace g with a bracket, put the 10 inside. Replace k with a bracket, put the negative 3.5 inside. Then after that, everything key inside calculator. So you should have x equals bracket, put your negative 3.5 minus, put your bracket 10, then h bracket, then finally plus 4. You can press calculator to get this answer as well. Negative 13.5. 6.75. How? Did you get the same answer? Yes. Did you get the same answer? Okay, very good. Hey, Cyrus! Question 4. Really, man? Why your angle like that one? Oh. I don't know. I don't know you so well. I know your name. Say my name, say my name. Okay, question 4 is not common. They usually won't ask you like that. Yeah. But the idea is still the same. My x is with this fraction, so I want to isolate it. So I move the other term across first. Then I simplify. Then after that, if I make it into a fraction, then same as what you do already. X is in the denominator, I don't want it to be denominator, I multiply. Then after that, I just decide I want to cancel the y, I multiply y. I want to cancel the y minus z, I divide by y minus z. Can already. Okay, so this one not common, you all just practice the substitution. Okay, substitution, replace with bracket, replace with bracket, replace with bracket. Okay, Ken, shall we move on? Press calculator lah. 2 minus 4 is negative 2 ma. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. 2 divided by negative 2, negative 1 lor. Okay, question 5. You all should be able to do. Do it. Okay, never mind. Question 5, leave for your homework lah. Hey, we do question 6 together. Question 5 you all do as homework. Lexus, persevere. Cyrus, persevere. Put your head up. Oh, you see, same one. Same. Okay. Hey, we want to look at question 6. Because question 6 a bit different from what they give you so far. So you want to make Z the subject. But when you go and look at Z, your Z is here in the numerator, your Z is also here in the denominator. But regardless, I still have to put my bracket first because they belong together. So now I cannot anyhow remove my Z. I still have to go to my first step. Z inside the denominator is not going to be of any use to me. So I want to remove this whole bracket first. So this whole bracket will multiply across to become numerator. Then once I multiply already, my right hand side is no longer a fraction. My Z is free from the bracket. The 4Z is free from the bracket. Lexus! Hey! This one important, come listen. Okay? Then right now, Akil also, listen. I multiply across, then this side, I don't need to put the bracket already because it's by itself, no need to put anymore. But I still have a Z here, I still have this Z inside the bracket. So this time no choice. I want to free this Z, I need to do my expansion. X times Y, XY. X times Z, XZ. Then I will have, hello, it's not the copying, it's the listening. Now I will have 4 terms. Then I must start to look for which terms got Z. Because those terms with Z, I want to put them together. So my XY don't have Z, so I don't want it to be together with my XZ. My XZ got Z. Then my 4Z here got Z. So I want to keep this XZ on the left, and I want to bring this 4Z term to the left together with this XZ. So I need to plus 4Z. My 3Y was on the right, I never touch it. Then this XY don't have a Z, so I don't want it to be at the left. I want it to go across. Then the next one, XZ plus 4Z. I still don't know. It should be equals to how many Z? So here I need to do one thing. You have Z in front term, you have Z in the behind term. You can do a factorization. You have 2 terms, but I can change these 2 terms into a factorized form. I take out the common factor Z, then I'll be left with a bracket. And inside the bracket, I'm left with XZ divided by Z, X. 4Z divided by Z, plus 4. Then I am almost at my answer. My answer is Z on one side. But now I have Z multiply a bracket. Hey, you pray finish the table, now you pray to the window. Or praying to the fan. Okay, so Z multiply a bracket. I want only Z, so I divide by the entire bracket. then the bracket will disappear. Then I can make Z the subject already. Okay? So this factorized part is the new technique or the new trick that we learned in this question. Put your Z terms together and factorize out the Z. Okay? Put the Z terms together and factorize out the Z. Then you can isolate your Z. Make Z become by itself. Which is what you want finally, Z by itself. One can or not? Then the last part, substitution. Hey, we have until 9:10. Okay, I do 5F. So that later you all can refer. I want to make T the subject. The bracket here is the unknown that I want to make subject. So T I want to make it subject. But right now, T square minus H square, the whole thing is inside a square root. So the first thing I need to do is to remove the square root. How do I remove square root? Square. So I square both sides. When I square both sides, the square will cancel with the square root. Then my square root will disappear. Okay? Then I will have L square equals to T square minus H square. I want to make T the subject. I don't want this H square to be with my T term. So I will bring it across. L square plus H square. Okay? Then I want it to be on the left. So now is the time where I can switch their places. Switch from left to the right, right to the left. When I'm just switching their places, I don't need to change any signs. Positive, still positive. Positive, still positive. Then finally, I want T but I don't want T square. So from T square to T, I need to square root. So that the square root will cancel with the square. So I need to square root both sides. Okay? But when we are taking square root, something being square root, for example, I put it here. If I want to square root 4, square root of 4 means I am looking for what number can multiply by itself to give me 4. Okay? So if I want to square root 4, the possible answers are, how do I get positive 4? The possible answers are plus 2, multiply plus 2, they will also give me 4. Negative 2, multiply negative 2, will also give me positive 4. Okay? So whenever I take square root, I must tell people, the result can be positive, can be negative. So whenever I take square root, I need to add this sign over there. Go, 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 go. And this is your answer. Cyrus, now you will tell me you are looking at your book. This one is 5F. I go back to last page already. This one we finished already. Go where? You put your book on Lexus lap lah. I think nicer to sleep there. A bit only. I don't know leh. I never see leh. 2:15 bus right? Eh? No leh. Change the timing. I don't know. Mr. Ashraf do one at that thing. Can? Okay, then I do another one that is y'all maybe never see before one. Anything else? H ah. Okay? Hey, H also same what? Square first lah. Square first to make it, to make the square root go away. Okay? Then I have a fraction. So 2a bracketed and square, I will have 4a square. Then I don't want this c inside this bracket to be at the denominator. Finally, all my c should be numerator 1. So I don't want this bracket to be denominator. I multiply. Then it goes to the left hand side, become numerator. Then I still have c on the right, I still have c on the left, and the one on the left is inside a bracket. So I need to free it out. I need to do my expansion. Cyrus, are you a human or a tortoise? Or are you a human or a carpet? Okay, then this trick just now we see before already. I have two terms with c. I want to isolate my c. I have two terms with c. I cannot simplify, cannot add or minus anymore. So I need to use my factorization. I too fast ah. You sleeping, of course I fast ah. You got hear the story of the rabbit and the tortoise? The hare and the tortoise. You are the hare that choose to sleep what? I'm the tortoise that slowly move, then you wake up and you, how come this tortoise so fast? Hey carpet, can you wake up? Yeah. Or Mrs. Yoga walk past, then ask me why I allow my student to sleep on the floor. Want to be carpet, also not flat enough. Yeah. Not good enough to be a carpet. Not flat enough. Okay, the rest you all do. You still have 3 minutes. The more you do, the lesser homework you have.